Welcome to our next topic to discuss about HTML tutorial. And today, actually, we are going through the topic of formatting of HTML. Different type of formatting tag we are discussing in this last few videos, and today also we are going to discuss another one formatting tag, another one or two formatting tag. So already we have discussed about paragraph tag. Then so heading tag, actually, when we are going to write something, like you can see now also here we have written something about heading tag, but here also we applied heading in that place. So this is heading, this is also one heading, but the difference is what? The size of the heading is bigger and it is bit smaller. So as per our heading concept in different digital or non-digital medium, we need to apply heading in different size. So basis on that, we have 6 type of heading tag provided by HTML team, developer team. So here H1 is the considered as the largest size of heading, and H6 is the smallest size of heading which we can apply, and the official size developed by the HTML developer. So we'll see through an activity how heading tag work. Now here we are going to see the Notepad++, and we are going to write the program in that app to understand better the concept of heading tag. Head title, here we are going to discuss today HTML heading tag. Okay, now in body part we'll write body close. So now I can save the file. So here I am writing some of the heading tag as per its size. H1, see here you can see Notepad++ provides us the related term which we are going to type. This is the speciality of Notepad++. So just it's an added point to discuss. So H1, then I'm doing one thing. First of all, I'm writing all heading tag first, then H2, and here I'm writing closing H2, then H3, and closing H3, then H4, and we are closing H4, and H5, and closing H5, last is H6, and we are closing H6, we are closing it. Okay, now we are writing something here. This is the largest heading. Okay, and here we'll write the same. This is the smallest heading. Okay, first we will see these two headings, then the rest of the heading we'll see. Here this is the largest heading and here this is the smallest heading. And one point also you can see that largest and smallest heading, in between we have not provided any BR, that means line break tag, but still it is changing the line. So this is also one default feature of heading tag, that whenever you are closing the heading tag, that means it will automatically change the line, okay, which is not provided in p tag, but this added point feature also provided in heading tag. Okay, so we'll see rest of the heading. This is heading 2. Okay, just to apply different size, this is heading 3 size, this is heading 4 size, and this is heading 5 size. Okay, and this is 1 and this is 6. So we'll see the difference now. So here we are going to refresh. Yeah, nice, it's coming. This is the largest heading, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the smallest heading. So like this, so you can understand the difference of the difference between different size of heading number, heading tag number. Now, so I think this heading tag is clear to everybody. Now we are going to discuss another part of this formatting, that is horizontal rule. As per our context, heading tag is one and another one is horizontal rule. So today we are going to discuss horizontal rule within this. So what is horizontal rule? Horizontal rule, sometimes we can see in different, like this here. Here we can see that we applied underline, but horizontal rule is divider type, something we can apply between two documents in a single page or single web page. So in this situation we can use horizontal rule, and we need horizontal rule in different style. So for that it has some attributes. So we'll go through the horizontal rule also through an activity. So today, now we are going to apply horizontal rule concept within this program HI. Right now this is horizontal rule. Okay, let me see what is going on. Yeah, this horizontal rule is coming with this rule. Actually this is the text I have written, it's not required, because horizontal rule always provide a horizontal rule. It's a design, it's not a text. So I want to apply horizontal rule between these two category of discussion. One was my heading concept, heading tag, another one is my horizontal rule. So by being between these two concepts, I want to apply one horizontal rule, and that is why I have applied one horizontal rule HR here. So if I don't write also this thing, just I want to show the change. If I don't write this, then also the rule will come. Is it clear? The horizontal rule we can see. So just to bifurcate the concept, rather we can say area. Okay. So due to this horizontal rule we are getting this. Now next is, what are the different type of, oh yes, one point over here. This is one actually I thought to write it in comment, but it would be better if we write here. Horizontal rule is an empty tag. Okay, I want to make it more focusing. Just will see the changes, right? So you can see this is horizontal rule. Horizontal rule is an empty tag, but one point is here. I have written the second line in second line. I have written this line as a second line, but I am getting it here, so I must provide one BR tag here, right? Good, it's coming. Now some of the attributes we want to show, we have to know about it, about this horizontal. So first of all, align is left, center and right. Three types of attribute we can get for horizontal, three type of value we can get for align attribute in horizontal rule. So we need to see this. First of all, horizontal rule done. I want to apply each and every attribute separately. HR align left. The same thing I want to apply 3 times. I have to write 3 times this attribute, this tag, as I want to change. This is right. So let's see what changes we are getting through this. Left, right or center, which one is what over here, that's not clear. So why it's not clear, that is an issue. So for that we need to apply something else that we will see now. That is size and width. Okay, these 2 points you can see, that is one is size, another one is width. These 2 points we'll see here. Here I want to apply size equal to 50%. Okay. same I am applying here, but changing the value I want to apply. Let me first copy it, and here I am applying 30. Here also I am applying 30. Here also I can apply 30. Okay, and I saved it already, and I want to check the output. 3 with vertically with a vertically thick feature, we are getting 3 lines now. Now we want to use what? Width equal to 30%, and the same thing I want to apply. Width equal to 30%, width equal to 30%, and accept it. Now the final change we are getting here. So now you can see 3 line of coming in 3 different way. One is left aligned, one is middle aligned or center aligned, and one is right aligned. And it as the 100%, I have given what here percentage. That means you can see the total screen size is 100%. If we think, then 100 means 33%, 33.33% for each. So we will not going for any decimal part. We can write 33% to get the full screen in 3 modules. Okay, otherwise if I write 30%, so finally 10% is left. So that 10% covered by the equally distributed by 3 HR tag with 3 different type of alignment value. So that is why I am getting this gap, equal gap. This is 5% and this is 5%. Like this way I am getting 10% total equal gap. 5%, 5% equal, so 10% gap between 3 line. Otherwise it is left aligned, it is middle aligned, and it is right aligned. Okay, so like this way we can apply horizontal rule in different purpose for different situation. Okay, and size is to mention the width of the rule. Now one more attribute of this HR I want to apply, that is no shade. Okay, just giving no shade, I want to execute it. It would be better if I apply this no shade here, that because it is already we have given the size attribute. So size attribute is helpful to understand the meaning of no shade. So that is why I am giving. Is it clear? No shade actually gives us the way through which we can get a solid color in place of a shaded color. If I get if I apply here, if I have not applied shade over here, but I have applied no shade here. So when I am applying no shade, actually the color is shaded by without no shade the color we are getting that which is overlapped by the screen color or a shaded color. But if we want to use any solid color like here we are using, so we have to apply no shade. Is it clear? So if we use no shade here, so we can use also no shade color equal to red. So if we use this, then what we can get? Yeah, we are getting red color here in place of gray color. Gray is the default color and we can apply any other color in place of that color. The same thing we can apply with different color, like here I want to use blue color rule. Here I am using green color rule. So here I want to use blue, here I want to use green. Okay, now good, nice. So it's coming very nicely. So I think these two modules is clear. One is heading tag, another one is horizontal rule. Heading is a container tag, horizontal rule is an empty tag, and horizontal rule with different attributes like no shade, like align, like size, and like width. Okay, thank you. I think the code is clear also, and very small code. So you can get the link, you can get the complete note from the link given below under the video. Thank you.